Okay, so this role, this job is published by Luz Research, and this company has to do research work. Okay, so there you have a lot of roles that they have that are open and they are current. These ones are remote jobs. While this is based in Colorado, there are so many branches. This is strictly remote telephone interviewer data collection, and they don't require much experience for you to apply. Okay, so this is an on-site position. So let's click on the one that is more of remote. So I'll click on Kansas data collection specialist. Okay, for you to apply, remote is part-time to full-time. Entry level, you have to fill up these gaps and your name, your address, and all that. So this company is currently hiring work from home survey researchers, and their home base companies in is their home base is in Colorado and recently expanded to Texas. And so you can join them. The incentives, $50 hiring incentive, a minimum of 40 hours in the first 2 weeks following your start date, classified as starting Sunday after training class, and receive a $50 bonus check on your next check, $20 for your referral. If you refer a friend and if they work a minimum of 40 hours the first 2 weeks following their start date, then you receive $20 bonus on your next paycheck. Then they bill hourly payment, cash incentives, cash price. Then team atmosphere and upbeat environment, staff members who are here to support you and provide you with tools, culture of promoting within, and no prior experience needed. They offer referral bonuses. So if this sounds like your opportunity, you can also give them a call to find out. Okay, so all right, so that's it. If it's something you like, then please apply and submit the application as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. To find the link to this job, I'll post this link in the description of the video. All right, please click on the subscribe button, and that's if you've not subscribed to my channel, and please tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. And also please turn on the notification by clicking on the bell button beside the subscribe button so that you can have updates from YouTube whenever I post my videos. Okay, so thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Have a beautiful day. Stay blessed. Bye.